Welcome back to Autocar News. Today, we're diving into a car that blends history, innovation, and a touch of Italian charm, the 2025 Autobianchi Primula. A name that once pioneered the front-wheel drive revolution in Italy is back, and it's making a statement. Imagine a car that captures the essence of the past, but is built for the future. The 2025 Autobianchi Primula, finished in an elegant dark gray, revives the spirit of the original while embracing modern technology. It's compact yet stylish, practical yet thrilling, and undeniably unique in today's market. Let's talk design. At first glance, the new Primula exudes sophistication. The dark gray bodywork gives it a refined, almost stealthy appearance, perfect for those who appreciate understated elegance. The LED front lighting seamlessly integrates into the sleek grille, a nod to its classic roots, but with a futuristic edge. The sharp character lines along the sides give it a dynamic stance, making it look fast even when standing still. Around the back, the taillights feature a distinctive light signature, ensuring it turns heads whether day or night. Under the hood, the 2025 Primula is no ordinary city car. Autobianchi has equipped it with a turbocharged 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering both efficiency and an exciting drive. The combination of an internal combustion engine and an electric motor provides instant torque, making urban driving a breeze while also being efficient on longer journeys. Whether zipping through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Primula strikes the perfect balance between performance and practicality. Inside, the cabin is where modern meets nostalgia. The dashboard design pays homage to the past with circular dials and a minimalist layout, yet it's packed with the latest tech. A fully digital instrument cluster gives the driver all necessary information at a glance, while the central touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of AI-driven features ensure that you stay connected without distraction. The dark gray theme continues inside, with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and comfortable yet sporty seats that make every drive enjoyable. Handling has always been a key factor for the Primula, and the 2025 model does not disappoint. The lightweight chassis combined with precise steering and an advanced suspension setup ensures that the car remains agile and responsive. Whether navigating tight city corners or enjoying a spirited drive on the open road, the Primula is designed to engage the driver. With regenerative braking and an intelligent hybrid system, it optimizes power delivery while keeping fuel consumption in check. Safety is another strong point. Equipped with the latest in driver assist technologies, the Primula features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Autobianchi has taken a modern approach to ensuring that drivers and passengers are safe without compromising the driving experience. So, who is the 2025 Autobianchi? Primula for... It's for those who appreciate Italian engineering, those who want a compact car with character, and those who refuse to settle for the ordinary. It brings back the charm of the original while offering everything a modern driver needs. What do you think of the Reborn Autobianchi Primula? Would you take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cars. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.